Did you know your body has a secret messaging system that controls everything from your mood to your sleep to how fast you grow? Today, we're driving into the endocrine system, your body's hidden communication network. But before we jump in, let's warm up your brain with a little trivia time. Which tiny gland is known as the master gland because it controls many other glands in your body? If you guess, the pituitary gland. You're absolutely right. It may be the size of pea, but it regulates growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Which hormones helps you fall asleep at night? The answer is melatonin, produced by your pineal gland. It tells your body when it's time to sleep. Pretty cool, right? Those are just small examples of the endocrine system at work. What is the endocrine system? The endocrine system is a network of glands throughout your body that release chemical messenger called hormones. These hormones travel through your bloodstream to tell different organs what to do. Kind of like sending tiny text messaging to keep your body running smoothly. Now, let's meet the K glands and see what makes each one so important. Hypothalamus. It's located at the base of the brain. The hypothalamus acts as the command center connecting your nervous system to your endocrine system. It produces hormones that tell the pituitary gland what to do. It also helps regulate hunger, thirst, body temperature, and emotions. Pituitary gland, the master gland. It found just below the hypothalamus. It controls other endocrine glands. Care hormones of the pituitary gland. Growth hormone or GH, thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH, adrenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH, luteinizing hormone or LH, follicle stimulating hormone or FSH, prolactin. The roles is regulates growth, metabolism, reproduction, and milk production. The pineal gland, a tiny gland in the center of the brain that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. It has a K hormone called melatonin. The role of it signals when it's time to sleep and maintains your internal clock. Next is the thyroid gland. It is located in the front of your neck, wrapped around of your trachea. The K hormones of the thyroid is thyroxine or T4 or triiodothyronine or T3. It controls metabolism, energy levels, and growth. It ensures your body uses energy and efficiently and keeps your brain development on track. Behind your thyroid, it has a parathyroid glands, 4 tiny glands behind the thyroid. It has a hormone or parathyroid hormone or also called PTH. It regulates calcium and phosphate levels in your blood and bones, essential for proper nerve and muscles function. Next is the adrenal glands. It is sit on top of each kidney and help your body respond to stress. It has a hormone called adrenaline or epinephrine, cortisol, and aldosterone. Adrenaline prepares your fight or flight. Cortisol manages stress and metabolism. Aldosterone regulates blood pressure by controlling sodium and water balance. Next is the pancreas. It is located behind the stomach. It regulates the blood sugar. It has a hormones called insulin and glucagon. Insulin lowers blood sugar by helping cells absorb glucose. Glucagon raises blood sugar by releasing stored glucose from the liver. Ovaries for female. It is located in the pelvic region. It has hormones, estrogen and progesterone. It controls menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and female secondary sex characteristics like breast development. Next is the testes for male. It is located in the scrotum. It has a hormone called testosterone. The role of testosterone, it controls sperm production, muscles growth, and male secondary sex characteristics like voice deepening. Why the endocrine system matters. Without hormones, your body wouldn't know when to sleep, eat, grow, or respond to stress. It keeps your body coordinated and balanced, working silently behind the scenes every single day. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell which body system you want me to explore next. Stay curious, stay healthy, and remember, your endocrine system is always working even when you're asleep. Bye!